Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna film a haul video. You guys always ask me where I got my top from, where is my dress from. So you always want me to make a haul video. So this is my first ever haul video. If you like it, make sure you tell me in the comments below so that I can make more of it. So as you guys know that Myntra was having their EORS sale and only yesterday I received all my products. So I thought it's a perfect time to make a haul video before I wear all of them and put them up on Instagram. So I thought let me just make a video before that, and that's what I'm going to show you guys. And all of the things are most from Myntra, but only two of them are from Shein, which I'm so sorry I can't provide a link for, but my one of my order is still stuck in the logistics, but let's see if I get it or not. But this video is not about that. This video is about a Myntra haul. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. If you guys are interested, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I think first we should get over with the two tops that are just from Shein, otherwise all of the haul is from Myntra. So the first top is this one which I'm wearing right now. This actually is like this, but it is too big on me, so it slides down. So I thought let me just wear it like this. So I'm gonna show you guys in the try on clip how this looks. I love this top. It was just a tad bit bigger on me, like not the body but the sleeves were really big on me, so I just got them altered, but it's fine anyways. I wasn't gonna get it returned. I knew I was getting a larger size before I was ordering it because this was the only size available. By the way, I was in the size L. So yeah, I love this, and it's a very different top, not my style, but I have been really kind of experimenting with my style. I love doing that because I have to put up pictures on Instagram, so I thought let's not make it boring. So yeah, I got this one for that. So the next top is this one. It's again very beautiful sleeves. I love these sleeves. Like these are organza, I guess. Yeah, these are organza. Wow, I'm a design student. So this is so beautiful. I have been eyeing it since very long time, and this is also from Shein if I didn't tell you. I just got it just before the Shein got banned, so I'm so grateful I got this one. It's a beautiful top, love it, and I'm so sorry you can't get your hands on this. Alright, so getting to Myntra, the next top is this one. It's a beautiful chicken curry top. I've been seeing a lot of chicken curry tops. They look beautiful. Zara has them, Shein had a lot of them, but I found this one on Myntra. This is very loose to me. I knew I was getting a bigger size when I was ordering it because this was the only size available, so I thought I'll exchange it between the 30-day period, but I don't know if I'll be able to or not. But I really like this top, so I think if I can't find my size, I'm gonna alter it. But overall I really love it. It's a nice cotton material, very breathable. Love it. Alright, so the next top is again from Myntra. This is how it looks like. It's from the brand called Casually. So this one has these tie thing up in the front, so I love it. If you know me just a little bit, you know I love crop tops. So this was a very cute one. It's very minimal, simple kind of a crop top. If you're gonna top it off with a blazer, or I wear it like this only. I love it, and even you can wear it above a t-shirt if you're not comfortable wearing a crop top. This is a very minimal, pretty kind of a top. So yeah, that's that. So the next top is from Vero Moda. It's a beautiful tube top, and it makes my torso look very thin. I love it, and also it's because it has vertical stripes, it makes my torso look elongated, which I really like. And the only problem I feel is when you put the zip up, it has a lining which just gets stuck in between. So I think I'm gonna have that altered a little bit, because I really love the top. Also, let me just show you guys, it has this plastic thingy like you have on the bras. It has that, and so that your top doesn't slide off. And yeah, I love it. It's beautiful, I love it. Alright, so next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is a cord set, and it's way out of my comfort zone. I would never wear it. I don't know why I got it, but I really liked it in the picture, so I'm gonna show you guys. So it has, first of all, look at the print. The print is beautiful, but it's not at all like my comfort zone. I don't wear a lot of printed things, but this time I got so much of that. I have been really into prints, and this one is a floral print. It's a crop top. It's beautiful, and but the only thing is that it's a very transparent cloth, so I don't like that. Also, this also is a little bigger on me, so yeah, but it's beautiful. Look at that. The crop top is beautiful, and then it comes with a skirt. This is how it looks like. The skirt is beautiful. It's a little large on me, so yeah, that's that. But it's a beautiful set if you want to go for a vacation, which I don't think we are any sooner. But if you are going for a vacation, this is a beautiful cord set, and you can like literally wear it with the best thing about cord sets is that you can wear it with something else and make it a little different. And so yeah, this is that. Alright, so the next thing I got is this very simple top. It's a nice one. It's like a very sophisticated, elegant kind of a top, something that you would wear if you're just going about anywhere. It's gonna go with everything, and it is also loose on me, so I'm just waiting if when my size comes in stock so I can order that. But this is also loose on me. This one is in the size, I think, L. This is in the size medium, but it's still very loose on me. So this is how it looks like. It's a nice georgette material. I like that. Nothing bad about the top, and I just want to get everything in black. Like every time I'm gonna shop, I find everything that I like is either in black or white, and I just want to get it. And this time also I had so much black that I wanted to get, but I had to control myself that no, you need some color in your wardrobe. So yeah. Is something I would never buy. I never wear this color, I never buy this color, but it looked so pretty on the website. I had to get it. Like, I'm just, as I said, I'm experimenting with my clothing choices, so I thought, let me just go, get some colors. I only wear black or yellow, or but this is something I really like. The top, it has like elastic right here, and then it has sleeves attached to it. You can see on the try on clip how it looks, and I love it. I wore it for a video on Instagram. Oh my god, so many questions about this top, and so many of you guys loved it. I loved it as well. I really like the top. And then if you like, I wear it like this also. If you just take the sleeves, tie them inside, and then you're gonna just wear it like a tube top. That also looks very beautiful. So that's that. Alright guys, so that was it. That's it for the whole haul. That's it for the haul, and this is all that I got. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then make sure you comment below telling me what did you like, and if you're gonna buy something from this haul, what it's gonna be. And make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, follow me on Instagram. Do everything that you have to do to show me your love. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.